All right, we are live, guys. We are live. We are live. Let's get right into the action, y'all. Get my notifications sent out. All right, so I'm telling you guys right now, alt season is here, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly why, and I've discussed this in my previous videos. So I want you guys to fully grasp. All right, so I'm telling you guys right now, massive, like huge. Just I cannot stress it enough how big of a deal it is. It happened very recently, and like it's on. I'm so freaking excited. I've been busy all day. I haven't even got to see it yet. And now I'm going to the market. I'm looking at everything and like, yeah, guys, like this is happening. This is happening. I'm very confident at this point. So you guys are going to absolutely love what I have to talk about. I don't know how long the stream's going to be. There we are. All right, cool. I'm live. There we are. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Oh, man. Guys, I'm so excited. All right, you guys are going to love what I'm going to show you. Like, absolutely. All right, so let me get my comments up so I can see what y'all are saying. Woo, alchemy. Oh, my gosh. Am I going to get this opportunity? I'm telling you right now, if I get this buy that I might actually get, I'm going to have to adjust my positions. If I get this, oh, it's so close too. This is an incredible buy opportunity. All right, 1 second. Let me get my comments up, and then we'll dive into it. All right, cool. I can see you. Hey, Manuel, how you doing, brother? Nice to see you, dude. Oh, my gosh. Are we going to get this opportunity? There's no way. There's no way. This is too good of opportunity. Oh, my gosh. All right. This is amazing. All right, so let's explain what's going on right here because I am going to watch this chat for a lot. I'm going to set an alert right here. Yeah. If it crosses below this level, I'm telling you guys, like, this is going to be huge. So let me explain why this is such an incredible opportunity, okay? Let me show you. I'm going to do it for scratch so you guys understand. So the first thing, look at this, okay? This is absolutely a breaker, okay? Like 100%, there's no doubt about it. This is huge. Dude, I never got into Manuel. I never got into ACH. I never did. I never had the opportunity to, man. I want to so bad, but I never actually got into it because I'm only on Coinbase, and by the time it came on the Coinbase, the freaking thing took off, and I was like, oh, I'm not going to FOMO. I'm just going to let that thing ride, and my gosh, it just exploded, y'all. Absolutely insane. So, yeah, this right here is a very obvious level right here. It is going to be a 4-hour breaker. Very clean, very obvious, right? Which is a good reason to buy regardless. However, and this is the really important part, okay? Go over here to the Fibonacci retracement level. Fibonacci retracement. Very top, very bottom. Look, oh, wrong direction. I'm so stupid. Let's go to the bottom. All right, from the bottom to the very top. Look at where that breaker is. It's right here, y'all. Look at this. It falls right inside of here. I think we're going to get this opportunity. Oh, my gosh. I'm so excited right now. All right, well, I'm going to tell you right now, I am going to log into my Coinbase account on my phone. I can't even see her anymore because I'm actually going to be doing a live trade. So I'm not going to do it on the actual stream because that's not very smart. But I will absolutely do it on my phone while I'm talking to y'all. So I don't see your guys' comments. If you guys have comments, that's great. But so yeah, you have a golden pocket retracement on this. And this is huge, guys. Like, you cannot get a better opportunity. Like, remember how much this thing increased, right? This thing increased that much. Okay? Like, insane, right? 13,000% since July 23rd. Okay? It doesn't get any bigger than that of a massive movement. And we're about to get a golden pocket retracement on this sucker. Like, whoa, you just don't get this. I can't stress this enough. Oh my gosh. I want to I don't know if I can, obviously you got to be careful, right, when you're trading. So you don't want people to watch you and take your password and all that craziness, right? So you got to be careful. So I really don't want to do it while I'm live streaming with you guys at the same time, though. I also want you guys to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to try to give you guys play-by-play of when I enter and why I'm entering. So we're gonna do low time frame. And I'm going to go over here, pull up the RSI, because RSI is how you catch bottoms. This is what I'm looking for right here. So this is my indicator, right? Once I come down here and cross into there, that's whenever I'm going to really start looking for an entry. Right now, I'm not. Although it's starting to push up, I'm not looking for an entry yet because it has not met my criteria. And the risk to reward right now is a little dangerous. But you can see the levels we're coming into. This is a very, very, very major level. Okay, I'm trying to get damn thing into Coinbase. It's being a pain in the butt right now. If this thing just takes off, I'll be so pissed because I'm gonna miss my entry again for ACH. I'm gonna like, oh, are you kidding me? But either way, now here's my question though, right? Which coin should I sell on Coinbase? Which one should I sell for this? I don't have any extra funds. I don't have anything left. So let's go to my active holdings. Which coin should I sell out of here? Now you guys are looking at it, okay? I want to know what you guys think I should sell out of this massive list on Coinbase and add some ACH for it, okay? Now obviously if the coin's on a Coinbase, I can't sell it, right? But I want you guys to tell me, and then, you know, I'm obviously going to look at it and verify and be like, oh, that doesn't make any sense or whatever. But I will be buying some ACH if I get that drop. All right, there we go. Coinbase, come on, baby, let's do this. So awkward doing it on my phone. Am I in? I think I am. Oh, man. Damn it. Wrong one. No. Let's see. Sign out. Sign in. Oh, my gosh. Such a pain in the butt. Such a pain in the butt. Oh, my gosh. One sec. And I am maybe in, maybe. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. It's such a pain in the butt to get into Coinbase and stuff when you're on a mobile. All right, authorize, open. Yep. And I'm in, I think. All right, I'm in. Awesome. Okay, how are we doing? Where's it at? Okay, cool. Awesome. Let's go. Let's go. What coins you guys thinking? What coins you guys thinking I should sell? What is my entry price on this? I mean, right now, dude. Okay, so I'm trying to get in right here. If I can get in on this breaker, that's huge, right? That's huge. Huge. I cannot stress that enough, right? Now, am I going to get that entry? I have no clue. Honestly, I don't. And I might miss it again. It's very possible, right? But here's the key though, right? If you miss an entry, great, right? It doesn't matter. You go to the next one, okay? There's plenty of other markets out there, so it's not really a huge deal. So I'm watching like this as well because my phone's obviously being taken up by Coinbase right now, but it doesn't matter, okay? If you miss an entry, it's okay. There are other opportunities. Guys, we are in a massive bull run. I'm telling you, the alts are all popping off. It doesn't matter what you buy right now in alts. They're all going to increase, I think. Probably, maybe. But seriously though, the alts look amazing. There's great opportunities all around. Man, okay, what do I have on this one? Ethereum Classic, Fetch. I want to trade. All right, let's see. Let's look at my options on this particular account. I have Ethereum Classic, Fetch, Loom, Engine. Yeah. I'm thinking Loom, Fetch, or Ethereum Classic. Let's see which ones are the least bullish. The least bullish, right? That's insane, but I'm going to try to find one that's the least bullish. Or maybe what I can do is I just sell a little bit of each. That looks a little droopy. I don't like the droopiness of this. Daily. Looks okay on the daily. We're above the 200. I think it looks fine. What's the next one? Ethereum. I don't want to sell my Ethereum Classic. It looks so bullish. Looks so good. Loom. Maybe Loom. I hate to say it, buddy. But you might be the one that gets cut. But that looks a really good bull flag. Damn it. I think I'm going to sell a little bit of each. That's my thoughts right now. I think I'm going to sell a little bit of each. Well, so here's the thing. I have to trade it into from that coin to US dollar so I can buy it, because on Coinbase in case you're not aware, you have to buy it with US dollar, right? And I'm using Coinbase for a lot of reasons. Most of my coins are actually most of my coins are actually on what is it called? Freaking in my cold wallet. So I don't even have my money on the freaking exchanges right now. Okay, that's how confident I am. All my stuff's in cold wallet. All I'm trading right now is like extra scraps that I have just laying around. Okay, like, but those are the ones that I have on this account. They're just chilling. So it's either Ethereum Classic, Fetch, or Loom. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a little bit of each and pick up some ACH. Wait, where's ACH? Let's look at this real quick. Market cap, coin market cap. ACH. I'm telling you, I will get to the other stuff real quick, but I have got to get in this market if I'm able to get this in. 251 million. Oh my God, it's so low. Oh, it's so low. 234. Okay, so let's look at Fetch real quick. Fetch.ai is also really low, which is great. Loom, I know, is also really low. There it is. Awesome. And then, of course, we have Ethereum Classic, which I know is not low at all. It's at 18. I think the potential is going to be an Ethereum Classic. I think I'm going to dump some of my Ethereum Classic, which I hate. I think I hate that, but like, I don't know what else to do. I think this is, so here's the thing, guys. So golden pocket retracements are extremely, extremely rare, right? All right. Yeah, golden pocket retracements are extremely rare, and that's something you got to really totally grasp, right? So when you get a golden pocket retracement, okay, a golden pocket retracement is a massive area between the 6.8 and the 6.5, right? And it has a massively, it has a very, very good success rate with the golden pocket. And I'm going to show you guys a good example of this. Let's go to Bitcoin, okay? There's a lot of examples of this, honestly, but I'm going to go to this one. Let's go to the daily, 3-day. Let's do a 3-day. 3-day, I'm going to go back. We're going to go back to this on a different chart. All right, awesome. Okay, we have this huge point right here, right? Okay, awesome. This is Bitcoin. Very obviously, right? Back in the day, back in 2017 to 2019. And if you see, we have a retracement level, right? And what that means is from the very top to the very bottom, right? From the very top to the very bottom, where did it retrace to? Retrace to the 0.618, which is the golden pocket region. So this bounce went up here and hit the golden pocket region. Absolutely beautiful. So if you just had blind sells right here, you would have caught the top of this movement and it went all the way down here to the COVID crash of like 3,000. Okay, like it's that important even on a very, very macro scale. There's also a ton of other examples. I think CLR had one. Wait, was it CLR? I think it was. I thought it was this one. Maybe it wasn't. I know there are a lot of coins that have had really good golden pocket retracements, but maybe from here. Let's see. Oops, let's go back up. Could have swore it was this one. Yeah, there you go. Okay, look at this. CLR, all the way up, dropped. Where did it retrace at? Golden pocket, right there, baby, between the 6.18 and the 6.5. It bounced from there, and it did a 90% movement off the golden pocket. Okay, there's a ton of other examples. That's just one that came off the top of my head. All right, so the important thing is golden pocket retracements. Whenever you get those opportunities, I always take them. Doesn't matter what's going on in the market. I don't care. I will always, always, always take a golden pocket retracement if I can get a good entry on it, right? So the exact same thing also exists. If we ever retrace into the golden pocket, I'm always going to sell. Always. Doesn't matter the situation, right? So this is the massive uptrend, right? We go all the way down there. So if we get this thing to drop down here, it bounced from this position, and we get up to like 51 to 52,000, am I going to sell? Absolutely, right? Because it's a golden pocket retracement. I'm absolutely going to lessen my position when we get there. It doesn't matter the situation. Anytime I get a golden pocket retracement, I'm going to sell or buy depending upon the situation. All right. So I hope that makes sense. All right. These things are freaking amazing. Like they're awesome. All right, let's go through some of these comments. Let me, all right. Hey, I'm excited for Alchemy. Yeah, me too. I'm going to try to get on this entry, which would be amazing if I can. I don't know if I'm going to get it, though. I'm probably going to... Oh, my God. It's already at 86. Are you kidding me? I think I missed it again. Are you got to be kidding me? Come on, baby. A little bit further down. I may have got front ran. Look how close I got. Damn it. This was no kidding my entry right there. If it takes off from this point, I'll be so pissed, right? So I am excited for Alchemy if I can get an entry on it, which I don't know if I'm going to be able to. You're going back in ACH, you take profits? No, I'm not taking profit because I never got in. I told you guys about it, and we had this massive, massive run, but the one guy who said, hey, get into Alchemy, didn't get into freaking Alchemy, right? It's crazy. I cannot believe it. So the important thing here, I'm going to say this once again. I know I said it a little earlier, but the important thing is you don't ever FOMO, okay? Don't ever FOMO into a coin. It's extremely important, right? So I made this video. I'm going to get rid of this, make it a little cleaner to see, right? I made this video right around, I think it was, oh, over here. There you go. Made this video right around here, okay? At around what is it? 0.09 cents, give or take. And I was like, this looks really good. I'm so excited. And then what I did is I was like, all right, cool. Whenever it's listed on Coinbase, I'm jumping in this sucker, right? The problem was, though, it got listed and it never freaking came back down. It just kept going up. And I'm like, are you kidding me, right? And it's one of those things to where at some point you got to think about it. Is it worth the risk of jumping in last minute, right? Is it worth that? And the answer 99% of the time is no. It's not a good idea to jump in late on a coin like that. So instead, what I'm doing is I said, I'm going to sit here. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for the perfect entry. Well, the perfect entry is right freaking here. I don't know if I'm going to get it or not, right? It's bounced up a little bit. Maybe not. I'm telling you guys, this is like the absolute best freaking entry you can get, though. God, if I get this, it'd be amazing. All right. Either way, it's fine. No worries. I'm good. I caught the jump at 0.2. Your video sold at 0.16. Awesome, brother. Or yeah, happy. That's amazing. Market analysis on Alchemy with breakers. Yeah. All right. So here's the thing about breakers, right? Breakers mean you have a consolidation period, which means that you're able to establish breakers, right? And that makes sense. The problem is when a coin goes hyper-parabolic like this, it doesn't create breakers because breakers mean consolidation. If a coin doesn't consolidate, it doesn't form breakers. So because it went straight up like that, there's nothing here for support. And when there's no support that's being built on the way down, what is it going to do whenever it starts dropping? This, okay? 60% drop in the span of, what, like 2 days? A day, maybe? Yeah, 60% drop in a day, right? And that's what happens. When it goes up parabolically like that, the crash is just as harsh. Now, here's the important thing, though, right? And I talked about this in the Raven video. I don't know if you guys watched it yesterday or not, but I've talked about the Raven video, and I said, hey, you have to find these breakers, and then you sell on the retracement, okay? Well, you came up here, okay? You can tell it is a you can tell it's a top because you have this bearish divergence. Let's go take that, right? Bearish divergence, very low time frame, 5 minute, right? It's very hard to see, but you do have a bearish divergence. So once you form this bearish divergence and you dropped, that tells you, okay, we have something going on here, right? So what you can do is now every time it comes back up here, you can try to sell the retracement bounces, right? So you come over here and you're like, all right, that's a breaker. This is a breaker, right? And of course, this right here is a breaker. This is the last breaker before continuation up, right? So as it goes up here and it comes in, you sell at these levels until it reclaims it. Well, came up here, sold it, and then it just continues to drop back down, right? And that's the exact same sort of pattern you're looking for. And I think right here does the exact same thing. Well, it's listed at 15. Maybe a 15 will show it better. Come on. Let's see. I love going back and analyzing old charts, and trying to catch what you miss, right? It's like, what were the signs that I missed? Ooh, this is a good sign right there. I like this a lot, actually. This 15-minute breaker told us a lot, all right? So it came up here, and it came up here and we tested, right? However, it rejected, so it came back up here again. You had a nice bear trap or a bull trap here, that's for sure. You did have a good bull trap, but what was the major key that told you this was a bull trap? Okay, the main thing is this volume. The volume sucked. So when it came up here and crossed over, if you would have had high volume, it would have continued. But the fact you had low volume and then it rejected down here, this right here, these two candles combined, was your major sign you need to get the hell out of this market. Okay, does that make sense? So you have this breaker established. It came up here. It tested it, right? Couldn't even retest it again. You got above it, but the problem is you had no volume. On that no volume on this increase, on this spike, it rejected. Once this rejection happened at this major breaker level, this was your sign to get the hell out of this market. All right. If that's clear, let me know. All right, let me know if that makes sense, guys. EOS, please. All right, I got you guys. Don't worry. I'll cover this. I promise. I promise, guys. All right, let me see. I don't think I'm going to get my entry on my mother son of a gun. All right, let me see if I turn that off. Now, if I go back to Coinbase, is it going to keep me logged out? No. Okay, cool. Awesome. I'm going to check my comments on here now. All right, let's go through our comments and see what we got going on, y'all. Pull this sucker up. All right, cool. Oh, dang. All right. Manuel said, what are your thoughts on Omni, BTT, and WIN after ACH pumped? Wow. All right. I will get to those coins in a bit, man. All right, I'm going to get to them, but let me get caught up on literally everything else people have been saying. So, does this make sense right here, though, as what I'm talking about? This breaker being established, this solid retest, couldn't even get back up there again, and when it finally did, you had no volume, right? No volume. You close back below this candle or this breaker. That was the sign this thing is going to freaking collapse, all right? This right there, this candle, and you even had a retest on it. This is an absolute gorgeous sign that the market was screwed. Okay, as soon as you had these two candles combined, that was all you needed to know this was going to keep going down, and obviously, well, it did, right? So right now what I'm looking for is I'm trying to see if I can get an idea knowing the bottom is actually in, right? That's what we're looking for. We're trying to see, is this bottom actually in or no? It's rough right now, guys. It's such a harsh drop. Just like it was such a harsh rise, it was also a really harsh drop. So let me see if I can try to find a level that makes a lot of sense. I think that I'm going to be confident that we're probably going to keep going up if I get a close above there. Maybe. I don't know if I like that. Let's see. Let's go to the hour. I'll be really confident we're done if we get above here. Like, absolutely. If we get above 98 cents, I'll be like, or 9.8 cents, I'll be, all right, yeah. I missed the boat. It's over. That's done. This was the low. I missed out. You know, sucks to suck, right? I don't know if I'm there yet. I don't think I am. So I think we still definitely have a possibility of it coming back down. And if it does come down, like I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna be going on my phone, selling some freaking Ethereum Classic and transferring it over into ACH. Even if it's just a temporary hold, because I will gladly take that entry. 61% down from the lows, you know I'm going to take that entry for a coin that has done that much. All right, let's see. So let's keep going. Yeah, Manuel, I will get that on that. You just bought 400,000. Holy shit. All right, hey, if you're in this chat, I want you guys to understand something real quick. Do not mention your portfolio sizes anywhere. Don't do it. Don't do it, okay? It's a security risk, right? you become a target if you post your stuff, right? Now, me is a little bit different because all of my coins are all on a cold wallet and a bank. That means like there's nothing you can really do to get into my stuff because it's not even online. But if you're an active trader, you do not post your position sizes because that's dangerous. Don't do that, all right? I appreciate, like, that's awesome, and I'm glad you did that, but like, you gotta be careful, bro. Let's see. Why do you sell versus exchange coins for other? I can't do that on Coinbase. I would if I could. I might be able to do some MetaSwap or some crap like that, but like, I already know how I'm gonna play this if I get to it. Let's see. What are your thoughts on Polygon Matic? Oh yeah, I got you. I'll do some Matic. I already have my alert set, so if it hits my alert, you'll see it on my screen, and I'm gonna rush back in here and then do something crazy. All right, we're gonna try to catch the bottom of this sucker. We'll see what happens though. Congrats on the 1,000 subs. Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate that, bro. We're like what, like 1,500 already? Like, it just exploded. I couldn't believe it, man. It's been absolutely insane. I'm so happy with the growth we've had on the channel. So it's doing really, really well. Oh, we're starting to drop a little bit. Let's see. 15 minute. Let's go to 5 minute. All right. So this might be the level that's holding us down, right? So because we have this level that's obviously holding us down, this is going to be our level to know we have some strength in the market. So, I think I'm going to get my entry, guys. Oh, collapse this sucker down, please, 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 please. But here's my thing, though, guys. If you're going to be buying this coin, do me a favor and let me buy first. Okay? That's all I ask. Let me buy first so that I get a good entry and then you guys can rise the price. Is that fair? That's all I ask. Just let me do it first. Yeah, I really appreciate it. All right, cool. I'm kidding, of course. You guys do what you want. All right, Polygon Matic. Let's look at some Matic. On Matic, let's look at this sucker. I'm going to do Matic, and then I'm going to do what I was telling myself I was going to do on this chat. I'm going to tell you guys why I'm so freaking bullish on alts right now. That's what you guys came here for, right? Like, you guys want to know why I'm so bullish, why I'm telling you guys the bull market is on, alt season is here. Like, that's what you guys want to know, right? I'm assuming so. Like, if that's what you came here for, let me know in the chat, all right? Like, is that what you want to know? I'm going to show you, using our analytics, using our data, like, why I'm so freaking bullish and this thing is going to explode. Speaking of exploding, Matic looks really good. Yeah, Matic looks great, guys. All right, so look at this interaction. Okay, the 200 moving average, we bumped up from it. I love that, right? Now, here's the one thing I don't like. I don't like this very low volume. We need to get some volume. I think once we get above this very obvious breaker, right? You see this weekly breaker? It's the only weekly breaker we have on this level, right? Once we get above this breaker and we close in 22 hours and 50 minutes above this level, I think we're going to accelerate, right? The 3-day close inside, which is not great. I would love to have seen it close above it, but realistically, I think this weekly breaker, if we get this close, and again, 22 hours and 50 minutes and 14 seconds, right? If we close above here, I think we're going to accelerate very, very rapidly on Matic. I think it's going to blow your mind. All right. Let's go to the Matic BTC pairing, see how we're doing. Oh, shoot. Guys, what do I see? What do I see? Oh, wait, no. Oh, man. Okay, so look at this. Look at this. Okay, so right now, I'm at the low point, right? I'm at the high point. Where are we bouncing from, right? Golden pocket region. This is what I'm looking for right there, right? It was a stronger bounce, so we damn near got to the 702, but we're really consolidating around the 6.8. Oh, yeah, look at this consolidation right here on the 618. That looks real. Oh, look at this. Oh, okay. Another example. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay, from the very bottom to the very top, this drop all the way down here, where did it bounce at? 618, 65, right? 618 to 65, right? The golden pocket region. Yes, we bounced at the golden pocket region on the Matic BTC pairing. I'm telling you guys, this is like cheat code. This is cheat code for trading. Anytime you get an opportunity at the golden pocket, I'm going to take it every single time. All right. So that's why when Matic drops a little bit further into my spot, I'm buying that sucker. Like, no doubt about it. I'm selling my Ethereum Classic for no damn good reason. Ethereum Classic looks great, but I'm going to sell it because it's a golden pocket retracement level, and I always, always, always buy my golden pocket retracements. They're cheat code, guys. I'm telling you guys this. All right, let's dive in. So yeah, Matic looks great, guys. All right. So I'm going to explain to you guys using facts and data and like charts and stuff exactly why I'm so incredibly bullish on alts right now. Okay. First thing we're going to go over is the technicals. Okay. Technicals chart. And if you've already seen this before, great. I got you. Okay. But I'm going to give you guys additional information here. Okay. I'm going to explain and really get you guys all the information you need. So this chart right here is going to be the Bitcoin dominance chart. What this means, when it drops, that's good for altcoins. That means money is flowing out of Bitcoin into alts. In case you don't realize it, I don't trade Bitcoin. Look at my portfolio holdings. This is my current, I just updated this like 30 minutes ago, my current portfolio holdings. You will not find Bitcoin in here at all, right? Yeah, none. I have 0 Bitcoin. Okay, look. 0 Bitcoin. None. Reason why, I'm an altcoin trader. Okay, that's what I do. I trade altcoins. So what I like to see is I like to see this place drop. Why do I like to see it drop? Because that means money is flowing out of Bitcoin into altcoins. Like this right here. This was all money flowing out of Bitcoin into alts. That's why you had ADA go from freaking 3 cents to $1.50. Right? That's why you had Matic go from dang near nothing to a whole lot, right? That's why you had Raven go from 0.0, I think I got in at like 0.03 cents or some craziness like that, and it got up to 20 cents, right? I think I made like 3,000% off Raven alone, guys. Insane. I think it was like 3 or 10,000% off Raven. I don't know. It was a stupid amount of money. All right, the point is that this is how you get those alts to do the crazy stuff, right? But, okay, so yeah, that's obviously how you get the alts to do the crazy stuff, right? But look at this interaction. You look at this and tell me you do not see a rising wedge, okay? Rising wedge pattern, okay? You look at this sucker and you tell me that's not a rising wedge. There's a rising wedge on here, right? Look at this. Does that not look like a rising wedge? Of course it is, right? This is a rising wedge, right? Rising wedges, do they go up or down? They go down most of the time. So we have that rising wedge. We've broken down to the downside, right? Downside is good for altcoins. You got to understand that. That is good. Down is good for alts. Well, we've broken down, and look at this absolutely incredible thing that happened. This is called a bearish retest. Okay? Bearish retest. Let me find it. Bearish retest. Back test. Come on, baby. Where's it at? There's a lot of these rising. There you go. Okay, look at this. Rising wedge, right? Come down here, drop, come back up. Did a rising, a bearish retest on it. And what happens next? Total collapse. Okay, see that? That's called a bearish retest. And we had our bearish retest. So what happens now? Pop to the downside. All right, that's awesome, right? Now, what does this look like when you add in this? Okay, you have a drop, then you have this right here. Would you maybe call it a bear flag, right? A bear flag pattern? I don't know, maybe, right? So you have a maybe a drop, bearish flag, continuation down. Yeah, I think it makes a lot of sense, right? So you have a bear flag pattern now, and now this bear flag, what do you do? You take the flagpole and you basically copy and paste it, and that's generally where you're going to be targeting, right? All these things, you see this, right? You have the pole, you move it over here, you drop the pole down again. That's where you take your profit. That's where you go for it. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that, repaste it, put it right back up here, okay? Where does that take me? Way down here, guys. I'm telling you, this is like the area, I'm no kidding, looking to like make the money. All right. So remember, if ADA went from 3 cents to well over $1, like $6.70 or some crap, right? I think it went almost to $2 here. Imagine what that ADA is going to do from $1.50 here all the way down here. Okay. Is it unreasonable for ADA to get to $10 with this drop? No, of course not. Absolutely not. Not at all. Completely reasonable, right? Is it reasonable for XRP to go from freaking 80 cents to like 25, $30 in this drop? No, completely reasonable, right? Litecoin to go from 150 or 130 to, gosh, man, Litecoin looks so bullish right now. It could get to 2,000, and I think that'd be reasonable. Just insane, guys. This is an absolute insane drop. And remember, this was altcoin alt season back in 2017, right? Oh yeah, absolutely, man. If you guys haven't hit like, what are you doing? Make sure to tap that like button, guys. Let's get that thing going. I don't even know how many likes we even have on this. I don't even see that. Honestly, I don't even know. Yeah, make sure to hit that like though. He's absolutely right. But yeah, you guys see that, right? This was alt season back in 2017. And also about that, I go into extreme detail on what I'm talking about. Right here, if you go to my channel, go over here. I got to find it real quick. Alt season. Right here. Wait, no, that's not it. I don't know where it's at. Oh, gosh. I don't know where it's at. Alt season. Right here. Parabolic alt season is here for 2021. Guys, this right here is like the video. I did this, 6 days ago, and I've literally called every single step. Every single step, like no kidding. Every single step has been exactly played off on here, okay? You need to watch this video once the stream is done, because I'm telling you guys, like, every single thing I talk about in this video has happened exactly the way it's supposed to, okay? Like, I'm telling you guys, this shit is happening. All right. So we drop down here. That's awesome, right? This is a really, really good thing. So next thing we're going to look at, okay, next one. Next one is the, actually, I'm not going to go here. I'm going to go to the Ethereum chart. Now you're like, Ethereum? Who cares about Ethereum? Why should I care about Ethereum, right? All right, I'm telling you guys, you need to care about it. Oh, that's the wrong one. Where's Ethereum at? Perfect. Okay. You need to care about Ethereum, okay? Because if you go to CoinMarketCap, right, and you go to all altcoins, what are the two biggest coins? Bitcoin, obviously, and the next one's going to be Ethereum, right? Bitcoin has $831 billion in the market. Ethereum has $370 billion in the market. The next altcoin, which is Binance Coin, it's not Tether, it's Binance Coin, has $60 billion. So Binance Coin is 1/5 the price of Ethereum. So this is by far the largest altcoin. So if Litecoin's going up, oh man, you telling me, don't get my hopes up like that. I'm telling you guys, I can't right now. I can't do this right now. I'm telling you. Oh, no, okay. I was about to say like right now. I was like, oh my gosh. All right, back to what I was doing. I have a lot of Litecoin, so I want to make sure of that. But you guys see this, right? So Ethereum, Bitcoin. Whatever Ethereum does, the rest of the market follows. And I'm going to show you this real quick, all right? So if you go to the US dollar pairing and you go to Ethereum, okay, and we're going to go way back in the day, right? Way back in the day. Oh, not far back enough. There we go. Okay. Look at these dates. Okay, I want you to take notice of the dates. It's very important here. All right. We started to increase parabolically around 11 March on 2017. Okay. And we went, well, you can see the spoiler right there. We went 17,000% on Ethereum. 17,000% from that area, right? Absolute insane, right? But this whole thing started right around 11 March. Now, so that was the first one to take off. The next one to take off was Litecoin. Litecoin was the next one to take off. It started taking off 29 March, okay? Ethereum started the pump. Litecoin was our next one to go. What has already pumped? Ethereum, okay? We know this. Ethereum has already taken off like mad over the last couple weeks, right? We know this. We've been watching it. So what should be next? This baby right there, Litecoin. This is my next indicator. I want to see Litecoin take off next. And the laggard. And Litecoin went up 10,000%. Now, this is the one, I'm telling you guys, this is the one I'm the most excited about. And this is why I have the most of it. This sucker right here, XRP, baby. Wait, that's the wrong one. XRP. There we go. Okay, XRP. When did it take off? Started, okay, March 29th around Litecoin. It paused, and then at the very end of the bull market, after Bitcoin already topped off, XRP went December 12th, 2017. It just went stagnant for the entire year. It went ballistic, and it did 62,000% in the span of a year. 62,000% in a year, guys. And the cool part about this coin so much, this is why I like it so much, is because if you go back, we haven't even broken our previous all-time high. We're right here near the damn bottom of XRP right now. You see that? Like, we're still making this massive rounded bottom pattern. Rounded bottom. Let me show this real quick. Rounded bottom pattern, okay? Look at this. You look at this right here and tell me this does not look like this. Okay? Or, even better, cup and handle pattern. You look at that chart and tell me you don't see a cup and a handle. Cup, handle. You guys see that? I'm telling you guys, like, this chart, I'm super, super bullish about. All right? Like, it looks super good. And it's just incredible. Like, I don't understand. Like, make it very clear, though. XRP goes slow, but whenever it does take off, it explodes, right? So I'm going to be very patient with this one, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with being patient. No problem at all with that, right? But whenever it goes, this thing will absolutely freaking explode, all right? It may coincide with the SEC lawsuit and all that stuff, but I don't even care about that, right? I don't care. All right. So the important thing I'm trying to point here is Ethereum went first, then you had Litecoin, or Ethereum started, then you had Litecoin, then you had other ones like EOS, right? Another one of the dinosaurs. You had Dash took off, right? Dash really decided to go parabolic in that sucker. What am I at? Weekly? Yeah, perfect. Okay. Loom did really well, right? There's a lot of them that just took off in freaking 2017, right? But the important thing is that Ethereum is the one that led the market. So what the whole point I'm making here is that Ethereum has done something very important lately. And if you're not paying attention to this, I don't know what to tell you, okay? This is the Ethereum BTC pairing, right? Does this not look like a bull flag? Okay. Of course it does, right? How can you possibly say this is not a bull flag? It's crazy to me, right? You have this line established, a trend line, and you very clearly have broken out of this trend line, right? This is a massive show of strength. Bull flags, like we talked about before, you make this, and this is just in general, right? I'm not saying it's going to get that high, but just understand that this is how you find ideas of where you're going. So if Ethereum gets all the way up here to the 0.1 to 0.11 region, right, which technically is possible based upon the charts, then yeah, like this is amazing, guys. Like that would be a massive, massive sign of the market that we're going to keep going up, right? So Ethereum BTC looks amazing, all right? And that's our next indicator for the market. And Ethereum leads the market, and Ethereum is starting to take off. That's awesome. Let's go to the technicals again. Ethereum BTC, okay? Ethereum dominance. Just like you have the Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum dominance as well. Ethereum dominance is pushing up. You want to see this. This is good. This is great. This is what you really want to see, right? Very, very exciting stuff. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you guys is this is the one thing we're so close, but we're not there yet, okay? Look at this right here, okay? Look at this chart. You come up here. You create a breaker. Very obvious breaker, right? You have an increase in price. You have a rejection. It brings it down a little bit. Continue back up. This red candle is a consolidation candle. This is a point where the bears come back and fight back. So the assumption is whenever you come back and hit this level again, it's going to act as a strong resistance or a support, okay? Same exact thing right here. You have another breaker established. Okay, it pushes up, makes another breaker, and then you have your parabolic movement blow off top, okay? Parabolic movement, blow off top, and then the whole thing crashes. We know this, right? We crash right through this breaker. We don't even stop. That's how powerful this drop was, right? Okay, but this breaker still exists. You have got to remember it. Now it comes down here. Where does it find support at? These two breakers. That makes sense, right? It makes a lot of sense. Why wouldn't it find support at these two massive breakers? Same thing I'm looking for right now on ACH, right? These two breakers are there. You also have the golden pocket retracement, but those two breakers are there. I'm actually curious. Give me 1 second. I want to see where the golden pocket's at. Get out of here. Okay. Bottom to the top, it falls. Where does it fall to? Golden pocket, 618 to 65. Guys, I'm telling you, like, this shit works. Insane, right? So we fall into this major breaker, which happens to be because coincidence, right? Obviously, it's coincidence. It couldn't be the fact it's a golden pocket retracement. Falls right in the golden pocket, pushes up. Now we have a sweep of these lows, right? And sweeps are very, very good. These massive candle pushes it up. Oh, right here, right? We have this candle push up. But where do we reject at? Very, very important. Where do we reject at? Right here, this breaker, right? This confirms, this right here confirms that this breaker is support or a major resistance. So now this is a major resistance level, and we know it's a major resistance level because this has rejected off of it. And what happens? It crashes right back down, damn near to the bottom, but it doesn't actually go below it, but it comes down close, right? We find support and we push up. So we know this is a major red level because we confirmed it as a major level. But what are we doing right now? And I drew this. Look at when I drew this, guys. I drew it way back here, 25th of July. Guys, like look at these lines. Like, this is amazing, right? Remember, like, you can go back and watch me draw this stuff on that video, like, live. Like, it's straight up. Like, I'm not changing my lines and stuff, okay? I promise you guys. Go in there, look at those videos. You can see I'm not full of shit. I'm not making this stuff up. I'm not changing my lines. I didn't upload a video in the past and change the dates or some craziness. I don't know how you would do that, but came up here, and now we're about to try to guarantee and reclaim this level. So what are we looking for, right? I want to see this level officially reclaimed. How do we know it's officially reclaimed? If we get a weekly close above this level, right? Because this is a weekly level. So if we close this candle right here, this green, above this purple, that's how close we are, guys. This is it. If we get that close in 22 hours and 29 minutes and 30 seconds, that's it. Like that's it, man. Like I'm dead serious. This is alt season. This is when it's just gonna absolutely explode. And like all these different coins you have, it's gonna take off because that's it. You have nothing else up here to stop us. You have a bounce off the golden pocket region. You have this sweep. You found support at this at these major weekly levels. That's it, guys. This is it. Like, there's nothing else to it. Like, it's really that easy. All right, awesome. So, oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited right now. Like, I cannot stress it enough right now on how incredibly bullish I am. And like, am I going to get this entry? Let's see. Let's see if I'm going to get this or not. Probably not. Well, we're still here. We're still above it. I mean, this is still going to be a resistance until we get above it, and we haven't got above it yet. So that's really good. So I'm still hoping to get my entry on ACH. No promises, but I'm telling you, if I get this alert that goes off, I'm about to be quiet as can be because I'm gonna be looking for the perfect entry on this. But I'm gonna do it. I'll tell you guys what I'm looking for, but I'm really, really, really hoping that I get it. All right. So that's that. XRP, I need you to take off. All right, let's look at Bitcoin. Okay. Even though I don't trade Bitcoin, you always have to know what's going on with the market. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at what my steps are. Oh, did we touch it? Oh my gosh. All right. So once again, go to my Twitter, and I talk about my steps. Okay, and I mentioned this. I say these are the steps to success. And I make that very clear. I said, these are the 4 steps. Here we go. The 4 steps to new highs. And I posted this July 26th. So that was like what? Like over 2 weeks ago, right? And I say, first step, get a weekly close above the weekly breaker and the monthly open. Okay? That's right here. Weekly breaker, monthly open. Did we get a weekly close above it? Yes, we did. Step 1, complete. Next step, get above the 200 moving average on the daily, right? 200 moving average daily, right? So that's right here. So you go to the daily chart. What have we touched? We're so close. That 200 moving average. I'm going to take this off because obviously we know where it's at now, right? Right there. We found resistance at the 200 moving average. Now, why did I know that's going to be a major resistance level? Because the 200 moving average is always a major resistance level. Look at this sucker. H-bar, we've been pushing up against it forever, right? Test here, test here, test here, test here, test here. Grind around it. We closed above it, and now we're rejecting again from the 200 like we have for the last freaking 2 weeks, okay? That's that. It's that important. And again, another one is going to be XRP. Come up here. Test, 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 test. Test over here as well, right? We just now closed above it for the first time yesterday, okay? So I'm super happy we finally got these closes above this level, and now I want to make sure we have conviction and continue going up. But the 200 moving average has acted as a very major level on this. Very, very happy. I mean, hell, look at this. You want another great example? What about this coin? I hate this coin. If you've been around for a while, you know I hate this damn coin. Doge sucks. I'm sorry if you're offended by that, but I hate this coin, right? But look at this. 200 moving average. We literally have done nothing. Just grind down this entire time. We come down here, touch the 200. What happens? Pops up, right? 200 moving average all the time. It's cheating. 200 moving average is cheating. I love. Okay, oh, another example. Okay, Raven, BTC pairing, right? Come up here. What does Raven reject off of? Interesting, right? 200 moving average, right? You go over here. Go to the Raven US dollar pairing. What does it reject off of? Interesting. Let's see. What is that? 200 moving average. Guys, I'm telling you, like this right here is cheating. The 200 moving average is cheating. All right. Yeah, this is awesome, guys. Like, oh man. All right, let's see what's going on in the market right now. It looks like we're having some sort of a crash. Some sort of a crash. You know what's good about this? I might get my entry on ACH right now because of the crash. That'd be beautiful, right? Oh, of course not. ACH is. Look at this. The rest of the market is crashing, but what is ACH doing? Keeps going up. Why? Because it hates me. Awesome. Yep, good stuff, man. So there we go. Let's see if I get this entry. Okay, you guys know this is my buy zone right in here. If I get this entry, that's massive. Let's see. Let's look at the rest of the market, see how we're doing. Oh, yeah, that's right. I get distracted a lot. Sorry about that. So what else I was talking about? Step 2, right? This is the daily 200 moving average. Get above step 2. What are we targeting next? Step 3. What is step 3, you ask? This daily breaker. Interesting, right? Jesus Christ, man. Look at that guy, man. Holy hell. You going to share some love, right, brother? That's awesome, man. Hey, I'm so happy to hear that, man. I really am. 60,000. Oh my gosh, that's crazy, bro. All right, so daily breaker right here, step 3, right? You come up here, hit this level. That's awesome, right? So tag this level. That would be really, that would be a very major resistance level. Why? It's the only breaker that exists on this entire downtrend. This is a very obvious level. Not only that, if I remember correctly, this level also coincides pretty dang well with what? Our golden pocket region. Wait, no, it doesn't. This one. That's why I did it, right? This right here. See it? Golden pocket on this massive downtrend. Retracement right here at step 3. Golden ratio. Right there. Golden pocket ratio. All right. So we get above step 2. We're going to be touching step 3. Not only that, we'll also be hitting our CME gap, which is right here. You go to the BTC1 explanation point. It's the CME futures. And you have this massive gap right there. Okay. That would close that gap. And it would also test that breaker. So if we get above that breaker, then what we're doing is we're now going to be touching, messing around with step 4. Now, step 4 is our last level. This is it right here, okay? Step 4 is my 3-day point of breakdown. We come up here, we get above this level, then Bitcoin will go to new highs, right? But the thing is, though, you have to take one step at a time. How long alt season lasts? Well, let's look at this. Good question, actually. Let's look at this. So to give you an idea, alt season last time, right? Because we've only had one alt season, right? So since we've only had one alt season, we only have one data point to look at. So let's go to the weekly, make it a little easier for us. And we're going to measure out how long alt season lasts, because basically alt season is its entire drop, right? So if we go over here and go to the price or a date range, it lasted 315 days. So a little bit under a year, right? So around 10 months. But, very important though, okay? Very important, but we only have one data point to base that off of, because we've only had one alt season, right? That's it. So far, we've went this alt season, I would probably say it started right here. It's went 217 days already, okay? So if we match what we had last time, 217, and we're going to go from here, right? So it's going to go to 322. That means 322 would take us right around to November of this year. Okay? If it matches exactly. Is it going to match exactly? No clue, right? We don't know. We have no clue, guys. We don't know how long it's going to last, but if you want to take that one indicator right there and nothing else, then you're looking at it ending around November of this year, okay? Now, if you want to look at some fundamental things, it's the end of the year. People are going to be taxing out to take it. They're going to be cash out, take advantage of tax benefits, etc. The last bull market ended in December of 2017, right? Those are some things we can consider, right? So maybe that's a legitimate time frame, right? Maybe it might go until December, November-ish, right? The thing is, though, we have no clue because we only have one data point, right? And history doesn't always repeat itself, but sometimes it does rhyme. So that's where I'm at on that. Let's see. Yeah, I know I'll be cashing out quite a bit around November, December timeframe myself because of the tax reasons, right? So most of my crypto that I bought I actually bought in like 2018, 2019 region during the massive bear market. So because of that, in the U.S. at least, right? U.S. Once you hold a cryptocurrency or any asset for over a year, you are subject to long-term capital gains tax instead of short-term, right? So I'll be cashing in because I'll be taking advantage of the lower tax rates because, and I'm not trying to get political, make that very clear, okay? I'm going to make that extremely clear right now. However, it is expected that cryptocurrency is going to be taxed more in the future. So because of that, I'm going to cash out in this tax season so I get the lower rate, right? That would make sense to me. So I want to cash out this season instead of next season for that reason, or at least do a massive withdrawal or at least a transaction so that I can cash my massive, massive gains off of this year's tax season and not next year's. Hope that makes sense. Cool. So, hope that makes a lot of sense for you guys. Well, I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start doing some coins. So, if you guys have coins you want me to go over, throw them in the chat, okay? And I'll do some coins. Not a lot, but I'll do some. And we'll go from there. Oh, yeah, ACH is taking off. Damn it. Guys, I think I missed my entry. Did I miss it? I think I did. I think I missed my entry. Damn. Damn. Throw me some feel bads in the chat, y'all. Like, this sucks, man. This sucks. Sucks. Let me do my little frown face. I'm going to do a frown face. I'm going to find one real quick. That's a dab. What the heck? I don't want a dab. I want a sad face. I don't see any sad faces on here. Let me see. See if I can find one. Sad. Oh, there we go. That's what I want to do. Sad face. There we go. My sad face. There we are. I think I missed my entry, guys. I think I did. It's all right. You know what I do? Find the next one. No big deal. No big deal, girl. All right. So let's do this. Which one you guys want to see? I know that I definitely wanted to see. I already went over Matic and Polygon. I already went over Polygon, brother. All right. So check the beginning of the video. It looks fine. It looks totally fine. No issue at all. I love it. H-bar. You know I'm going to cover my H-bar. Like you guys know, H-bar is my #1 holding. So guess what? I'm going to cover H-bar every stream. Sorry, but I got to watch myself as well, guys. Whew, that's a nasty rejection. Not a fan of that. All right, so the first thing I'm going to say about H-bar is that we did finally, for the first time since July 3rd, July 2nd, yeah, July 1st, first time since July 1st, we closed over the 200 moving average. However, as soon as we closed above it, we collapsed, right? I'm not concerned yet because like it just now, like it's still very, very early in the day, but that's not a good start to the day, right? But it's only been open for the last like 1 hour and 44 minutes, so we have plenty of time, right? So I'm not too concerned, but I definitely am not happy that we did collapse like that. But is what it is. The good news is if we're going to find support, it's right here because this is a daily breaker we're coming right back into. So if you want to pick up H-bar like right now, this is a perfect time, I think. That's a daily breaker. Simple as that. Looks good to me. I do like it. Let's go to BTC pairing, see if I can see anything on there. Oh, look at this. Interaction is ridiculous. So on this, let's go to the monthly. This is a monthly breaker we have here. So we are now just coming into, again, for the a monthly breaker. For like the 5th time or some craziness. Look at this crap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep beating onto it. But it looks like we're holding it up once again. Nothing there. Daily. There we go. I like this. That's a really good breaker. This is what's called a point of breakup. My name is Chris. Okay, Chris. Right here. Okay, this point of breakup. You can tell it's a point of breakup because it's the start of the massive impulse, right? The last down candle before the massive impulse. And this right here has actually held our support very, very well. Also, hold the phone. All right. What is this? Okay, this line right here. 200 moving average on the daily. We've talked about the 200 moving average on this chart, right? So we've just come in and we are right next to it, right? So if you're right next to the 200 moving average and every time you come into it, it pops to the upside, do you think it'd be a good buy right here? Yeah, of course, right? Of course, a good buy. That's a stupid question, RTBro. Yeah, of course, man. It's a freaking amazing buy, right? Not only that, I just noticed this as well. This is another breaker. Yeah. Holy hell. All these breakers all coinciding right here. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a really, really good buy opportunity right now. I like that a lot. A whole lot. Damn, if I wasn't already so exposed on H-bar, I would buy even more right now. Huh. Yeah, I'm not going to, but man, that looks really, really good right now. All right. So BTC pairing looks absolutely incredible. The US dollar pairing looks good enough. I don't like the rejection, but I do like how it's responded so far to that daily level. That looks really good. I like this this pump so far. Yeah, H-bar looks really good. I liked it a lot, actually. I really, really do like H-bar. All right, what's the next one? Matic, H-bar, XRP, XRP and ADA, absolutely. XRP, where's it at? All right, so XRP. Oh gosh, I love this. I love this. All right, this is the US dollar chart, okay? And I want you guys to look at this. Daily 200 moving average. Look at that rejection we had here, right? When we finally lost it, what happened? Massive drop. And we come up here, we tested it, right? And we failed. And we come up here, we tested it, we failed. Test it, fail, test it, fail, test it, fail. And look at what just happened. I'm so happy. We just now closed above it for the first time in such a long time. And I'm so happy about this. Since June 20th, it has been 45 days since we closed above there, and we just now did it, guys. I'm so, so happy about this. So XRP, I don't even care about the rest of the chart. This right here makes me so happy. So happy. Yep. I don't care. This looks amazing. I'm super. Have I done a video on XRP? I haven't, have I? Oh my gosh. I think I know what my video is going to be about tonight. What is this? Weekly? 3-day? Still chilling. Daily breakers. And that is another retest of the 200 again? Oh, guys, I'm telling you, this looks amazing. Oh, yeah, XRP is getting a video. I'm telling you right now. All right, so, hey, in case, obviously you guys are on YouTube, just so y'all are aware, my video tomorrow morning is going to be XRP. Like, right now, I'll just let you know. Like, it's ready. Yeah, like 100%. That's the video I'm going to do. Oh, my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's look at Ethereum BTC. How is it doing? I know it's a weird chart, but I do like to look at this. It does give me a lot of insight. Ooh, hello. Hello there. Look at that test. Wow. All right. Yeah, this looks really good. Yeah, Ethereum XRP looks good. XRP BTC looks amazing. XRP US dollar looks absolutely even more amazing. I'm really, really, really excited about this. So yeah, XRP is definitely getting a video tomorrow morning. What's up? What happened to ACH? I mean, a retracement. That's it, man. Like you gotta understand, man. Like, this is something you have to fully grasp. Retracements to this golden pocket are not just like okay, they're healthy. That's completely healthy. Okay, golden pocket retracements are 100% healthy, and I have a ton of examples to show you guys. All right, dive on there, and you can see golden pocket retracements are completely healthy. And I've mentioned that, if I remember correctly, I've mentioned that in the video I did on the update on it. Yeah, look, you didn't even hit the golden pocket yet, because if you did hit the golden pocket, I would have bought it. So didn't hit the golden pocket, but it bounced up from it. That's completely 618 to 65 is absolutely a perfectly okay retracement. So yeah, nothing happened there. I'm totally happy with that. All right, what's the next one? Thank you. You're a pure gem. Oh, I appreciate that, brother. Really do. All right, what's the next one? Shiba? You know what? I have never charted Shiba. I know nothing about this coin, but I'm going to do it. Shiba Inu. All right, so FTX. I need a BTC pairing. I need a BTC pairing. BTC. What? What? Are you telling me there's no coin out there that has a BTC pairing of Shiba? No way. What? That can't be accurate, right? There's no way that's accurate. Okay, well, all right. I'm going to tell you right now, if I don't have a BTC pairing, I will never trade a chart. I'm telling you right now. Like, I don't feel comfortable with that. That looks healthy. Volume looks great. Weekly. This major weekly breaker is concerning. We're into it right now. We've rejected so far. 3-day. Nothing. Daily. I do like this. I do like that, though. 4-hour. Okay. I do like this as well. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys right now, I just said I would never, ever buy a coin that doesn't have a BTC pairing. However, comma, this looks bullish, the overall volume profile. You see how you have a gradual increase in volume? That's actually a very healthy sign. That's what you want to see for a coin that's going parabolic. Now, here's the thing, though. Look at this volume compared to over here, okay? This is still very low volume. So I like the fact it's increasing, but I don't like the fact that comparatively it's really low. Now, we don't have a daily on here, 200, because we haven't had 200 candles. But if you go to the 4-hour, you do have one. And on the 4-hour, you can see how well the 200 was interacted with, right? You came up here, tested it, came back up, test from the downside, continue up. So even on the 4-hour 200, it's interacted with very well. So I do like that. And this daily breaker has been broken above. This daily breaker is currently above. May stay there, may not, I don't know. So overall, I don't think it looks unhealthy. Personally, I would not dive into this coin until I had a weekly close above here. But if I get a weekly close above here, screw it. I'm throwing some money at Shiba. Why not? I'm down with that. I like the volume profile. That's the main thing on it. So yeah, I think if it gets above here, if it closes tomorrow above this level in 22 hours and 6 minutes, I'll throw a little bit in. Not much, but a little bit. Cool. All right, so that's Shiba. Shiba sucks. I agree it does, but you know what? Screw it. Guys, I'm telling you, I actually where's that? I posted on Twitter yesterday, or this morning, which one it was. Being a coin maximalist is dangerous. Keep your eyes open for the next opportunity, okay? I am the opposite of a coin maximalist. I am a coin minimalist. I hate all coins equally, okay? The reason why it makes it to where I have no problem selling a coin, right? If you are so bullish on a coin, right, and you just cannot ignore it, you're like, oh, it's going to take over the world, right? You will never sell that coin, or you will have hesitation even if it's unbiased, right? So because of that, no matter how stupid it is to hold that coin, you're going to keep holding it, okay? Instead, you have to have that philosophy where I'm okay with selling when it looks bearish, and I'm going to find the next opportunity, whatever it is, right? I'm going to tell you right now, okay? HBAR, XRP, ZEC, Raven, Litecoin, Ethereum, Sol, BNB, XLM, all these coins right here. I don't know anything about them. Nothing. I don't know anything about the coins I have. Obviously, I know a little bit about HBAR and XRP because those are the ones I'm holding for so long. I know a little about Raven because it started taking off. You know what I mean? But in general, guys, I don't know about these coins, and that's okay, right? All I do is trade the charts. And I am the opposite of a maximalist, okay? I do not care. All I'm looking for is to make that extra buck. I'm serious. I'm dead serious, okay? And that's okay, right? That's okay. But it makes it to where I can unload on any coin at any time, and I don't have any hard feelings about that, right? So, yeah, hope that makes sense. So, what was I going to say? What's the next one? Telcoin. I just did a video on Telcoin last night, brother. Come on, man. Come on, man. I'll look at it real quick. Tell. Where's the tell at? Down here. I did a video yesterday, so it should be down here, I believe. BTC pairing? Oh, no, that's right. I did it on here. Okay. All right, real quick. I'll do an update. Anything change? Nothing. Same exact structure to yesterday. Nothing changed on there. Tell. Nothing. Nope, looks the same. Guys, like, tell looks exactly the same. Still bullish. No changes whatsoever. All right. ACH. When USDT? I don't know. Let's see. Never heard of it. Is this it? Wink or I guess it's Wink. Wink. Tether. Win. BTC. Perfect. Okay. KuCoin and Binance. Awesome. Oh, I like this. I like it. Okay. So, the reason why I like this, I love this pattern. Love this pattern. This is perfect. This is called a rounded bottom pattern. I love it. Okay. Love these patterns. These are money for me. These are absolute money for me. I'm telling you, I love them. Now, what I want to see is damn near exactly what I see right now. This is a very obvious breaker. We've reclaimed it. Volume's picking up. I love this coin. Okay, let's go over here. BTC1. We didn't get down there. That's the one I really wanted to touch. 3-day? Nope. Daily. BTC1 has a little bit to get me convinced, but I'm telling you guys, I love this pattern. I love it. I love this structure. I know it's crazy to say, but I love this. It's called a rounded bottom pattern. Okay? Rounded bottom pattern. And this is just gorgeous. Okay? Gorgeous. Love these rounded bottoms just like this. I'm sort of a bottom guy, guys. All right. Where am I at? So yeah, when USTT 4 hour, just look at that gorgeous structure. And the important thing about this is look at this very low volume down here, right? Very low volume. So now if we reclaim this, which I think is likely at this point, if we reclaim this in 22 hours and 1 minute, if we're above this breaker, what I want to see in the next candle is an increase in volume. And if you go really, really close, you can see we are getting an increase already, but I want to see a massive increase. I want to see a lot more people take notice of it. And then I will absolutely, I don't even know where the hell you get this coin at, but I will go find it and get some. Okay. I'm gonna write that down actually. I like it. Win looks amazing. Now there are some things I don't like about it. I'll tell you right now, I do not like everything about it because I do not like the fact that we're below the 200 moving average on both pairings. But overall, I like it though. All right. Oh man, ACA's taken off. Are you kidding me? Why are you telling me this? Damn it, bro. Not yet. No, we have not. Okay. All right. Whoa. Hold on. Hold the hell on. Okay. Hold on. This is a breaker. You do not have a change of market structure until you get this. This is what you need to see. Change of market structure. I need to go like this, back down, that. That is taking off. Until you get that on this block, this is not taking off. Okay? Don't get caught, man. I'm telling you. This very easily could be a bearish retest right here. And this very easily could go like this, right back down into my buy zone, then go back up here and continuation. Okay, that's yeah, dude. This is what I think is going to happen. Honestly, I do. I think this is what's going to happen. I think it's going to, instead of going up here, I think it's going to come up here, drop, come back up here, change the market structure, continue up. Okay, that's what I think is going to happen, and my alert's still set. Am I going to buy right now? Absolutely not, right? Would I buy if it did this? Yes. Would I buy right now underneath this major hourly resistance? Hell to the no. Absolutely not. No way am I going to. All right. You got to be patient on this. So, no, this is an hourly breaker, and you have to remember that this has not been reclaimed yet. Okay? And it's major. This is the last breaker. Now, if you get above here, that is an official change of market structure, and then you're going to keep going up. All right. Cool. Oh my gosh. AAVE. ICP. I'm doing ICP. ICP. Where's it at? I think I missed it, didn't I? I'm not very good at math or spelling. Those are two things I'm not very good with. And apparently alphabet falls in that category. Ew. Oh, fuck. Oof. Okay, so look at this massive breaker. Okay, if you look back, like there's nothing else here. This is it. Okay. This massive breaker currently is acting as a major resistance. You can see that, right? And you know it's serious because when it dropped down here, it came back up here, retested, confirmed its resistance, and kept falling back through, right? So you know next time it comes up here, this will be the area it rejects at, and it did, right? So what I want to see to get interested here is going to be this. I need this to happen. Up, down, continuation. That's what I want. That's what I want, right? This is what I want to see above this breaker. You get me something like this on whatever time frame you can think of, I'm down. But until you get this structure, nope, I'm out. I'm not playing no ICP. Wait, what am I skipping, man? Cool guy, quant stamp. What the hell is a quant stamp, man? I've never heard of it in my life. Quant stamp. All right, I'll do quant. I got you. Quant stamp. You're right. I always do skip you, though. It's not intentional, but I understand why you think it is. Quant stamp? That's a name? That's ridiculous. All right. Quant stamp USD. Whoa. All right. Okay, so number one, first thing I want to tell you guys. When you see this massive increase in volume like this, you got to look up here. Calculated by TradingView. I don't know why it does it, but this is some sort of a glitch it has, and this volume is not accurate. I don't know why or whatever, but I've actually fell for this trap before. So, no, it's not real. It's not real volume. Okay, let's. Wow. Okay. Oh man, I don't see anything good here yet. No, there's nothing here. All right. Dude, I'm telling you right now, man, I don't see anything good here at all. Because right now, the only breaker that I see, it's going to be right here. Right? Right there, you ain't got nothing. And I really, 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 really hate this candle. Let me show you this. This candle is disgusting. That right there is disgusting. Why? Because you have this breaker established. It came down here, came back up, rejected. Massive rejection wick off that candle. And it closed down below. Yeah, that's not looking good at all, man. So I hate that candle, and that's very concerning. So until we do something like this, right, I'm going to show you something very similar, right? Crazy how this works. Go over here, path, up here. There you go, okay? This is what I want to see. Until we get this, I'm not interested in quant stamp. Okay, there you go. Quant stamp. Let's look at this real quick. I'll look at it, but like I'm already not sold, man. Let's see what else. Don't like that. No. 3-day. We have consolidation. All right. It's really hard to single out exactly what I'm looking at here, but I think anywhere in this little consolidation period, that's my major resistance levels, right? And you can see we're rejecting right now, but massive consolidation. So something like this would be really nice. Up here, down, continuation up, right? That would be really nice. And if you get that, I'd be really happy. But you don't got it right now. All right. Daily 200 moving average is right there. So you have a massive resistance right over here at around 5.7 cents. So yeah, got a lot of problems going on, man. All right, cool. Can you explain the use of comparing coins to BTC? Well, it's pretty easy, man, because you can do it. Like, it's a chart. You can do it. There's nothing wrong with that, right? So what this means, if you go to the BTC pairing, is that you can buy one quant for 89 Satoshis, right? So, and it's a tradable chart, just like any other chart. And I love using BTC pairings because it really gives you a lot of information. Now, one thing about quant stamp, I will absolutely give you. This is a incredible drop. Incredible drop. So, if you get bullish market structure, I would be very interested. But until you get bearish market or bullish market structure, I'm not interested right now. How are we on this? I'm curious now. Extend right lane? No. No, I don't see anything, man. Sorry, buddy. I'm not interested. Even after this even after this trend line was broken through, there still was no movement. I think this one's screwed, man. Not gonna lie. I don't see it going anywhere. With all the bullishness in the market, it's still not really doing anything. I want to see this right there, and I want to see this right here. Until those things happen, I'm out. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Love you guys, all that good stuff. My wife is here, and you know she's my wife, and I haven't really spent much time with her, so I'm gonna get off. I do appreciate it. This is like a little crazy stream. I really wasn't planning on being here, but I just got off military orders, so I go back tomorrow. So I'm in military clothes right now, obviously, but I go back tomorrow. I've got a lot of stuff going on tomorrow, so I don't know if I'll be able to stream tomorrow. I'm gonna try. No promises though. My wife does not like me playing YouTube or doing YouTube. All right, so the best way to keep her happy is to buy her stuff, right? But I don't have money to buy her stuff, so if you guys could donate, really would appreciate it. I have information in my Discord and stuff, like all the different ways to do so. Be amazing if you guys could. If not, no worries. I just appreciate you guys. I really do. I'll do a video probably the night before I go to sleep. I will more than likely upload it and have it released tomorrow. It'll be on XRP, and y'all already know what it's about because you guys were here for it. So I'm going to let y'all go. Like always, if you have questions, whatever, let me know. Hit me up on Discord, and I will see you guys in the next